Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, we are going to see and learn how we can create a Microsoft 365 admin account. As you can see here, this is my page. So this is like the page where I have the administration. So your guide to Microsoft 365 administration. Now we have to sign in admin. So manage applications, data, devices, and users more efficiently for your Microsoft 365 services. To do that, you have to try for free, and this will get you to this page where you're simply gonna put some informations and do some other things. Of course, if you don't want to actually try for free and buy, you can click here and click on admin sign in. This will take you here where you have to actually log in using an admin if you have an account already. But here we have to try it so we can actually have the account. So click here, next, and pick one of the squares that shows two analytical objects. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, first one is done. And then we are going to sign in details. So how many people is this for? For example, let's say for around 10 people. And here it is the price. So you're gonna pay 13 per month for 10 users. Here I'm gonna choose 1 year, click on next. Then here, put here the email that you want to work with. It could be either your work or school email address, and then you will check if you need to create a new account for Microsoft 365 Business Standard trial. So here, simply just put it, and then once you did that, they will check it. Then you will be taken to the sign-in details like the password and the email, etc. And then, of course, the third one, which is the add payment, confirm and complete order. Once you did that, you will be paying 1500, for example, for 10 users, and you will get your Microsoft Business Standard for the admin user. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.